Assalamualaikum and hi. Today our group will explaining the design part of our system and I will explain about the entity relationship diagram (ERD) and the business rule for our restaurant management system. This design show how this data is structured before it is implemented using SQL. This ERD consists of 6 main entities, which is branch, manager, staff, menu, customer, and order. The branch entities store information such as branch name, address, contact number, and operating hours. Each branch must have exactly one manager, and each manager manage only one branch, forming a one-to-one relationship. Each branch can employ many staff members, but each staff member works at one branch only. Staff information such as name, position, and phone number is stored in the staff entity. Each branch can offer many menu items, and each menu item belongs to one branch only. This allows different branch to have a different menus and price. The customer entity store customer details. A customer can place many orders. The order entity records order details such as date, time, total amount, payment method, and order status. Each order must be placed by one customer and handled by one staff member. The business rule for this system are each restaurant branch must have exactly one manager. A manager can manage only one branch. Each branch can employ many staff members. Each staff member must work at one branch only. Each branch can offer many menu items. Each menu item belongs to one branch only. A customer can place many orders. Each order must be placed by one customer. Each order must be handled by one staff member.
Hi everyone, I will now walk you through the data dictionary of our system. This dictionary explains exactly how we store our restaurant's information. The main tables of our system uses 6 main tables to keep things organized, which is branch, manager, staff, menu, customer, and order. Each table has a primary key, like branch ID and order ID, to make sure no two records are ever mixed up. For branches, we record the address, phone number, and opening or closing times. For staff, we track their names, position, and phone numbers. For menu table stores every dish name, its category, and also its price. The order tables is very important. It tracks the date, time, the total amount, and the payment method used by the customer. We also use foreign keys, which is the FK, to link these tables together. For example, when a sale happens, the order table automatically links to the customer ID and the staff ID. This will tell us exactly who made the purchase and which staff member is helped them.
Okay, next we go through to the DDL, the database structure. I create 6 main table, which is branch, manager, staff, customer, menu, and order table. Each table has a primary key to ensure unique records and foreign keys to connect related tables. For example, the manager and staff tables are linked to the branch table, while the order table connects to both staff and customer. I also apply constraints such as check to make sure ID start from specific number and menu price are never negative. Okay, next, data insertion. I insert sample records into each table. The branch table includes branches in Melaka, KL Central, Penang, Johor Bahru, and Ipoh. The manager table stores managers for each table, while staff includes roles like waiter, cashier, chef, and supervisor. The customer table contains customer details, and the menu table lists items such as nasi lemak, mi goreng, teh tarik, roti canai, and chicken chop. Finally, the order table records transaction with date, time, total amount, payment method, and order status. So here's some result for insertion. After we insert the data, the table will be like this. Okay, next we go to the update and deletion. I demonstrate update operations such as changing a customer's phone number, updating a staff position, and adjusting menu price. Here, we got some result for update. After we do the SQL for update, then the table automatically updated. I also show delete operations. For example, removing a manager, deleting a menu item, and deleting orders based on certain condition. Now, let's look at the result after we delete. The table will show the changes after doing the deletion.
Good day everyone, my name is Suresha Tanapal. Today I'm here to walk through SQL queries which is we develop in our project in hotel management. So I would really like to explain more about what I did in this project. I will covering the data retrieval which is in chapter 3 which were designed 4 types of queries, and then chapter 4 also I done. So today I will give a more explanation what I did in my data retrieval. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first we have selection and projection, which is these 3 of these figures showed our selection and projection. So we have selection and projection. This query help us to pull the specific customer information like ID, name, phone number and their email from the customer table. Here it's how look, and this is how the example I shown ready. This is really useful for staff where they need to contact the customer. It is quick and organized. Okay, this is the next one, which is aggregation and grouping. These figures shown the aggregation and grouping are used in our SQL. So we are use the SQL and to the insights into the daily orders. This SQL counts how many orders we are placed each day. So the manager can use this to see which one is busy days, planned staffing and promotion. It can help to the managers to reduce their work. Okay, the third one, which is joint queries. Joint queries we are shown in these 3 figures. So joint queries are we used and we combine data from the multiple tables. So for example, this query links to order with the customer and the staff details. So it's help to we can track who placed the order, who handled the each order, each customers. So we can know and the great accountability and services also in following it up. Okay, the last one and the fourth one, which is set and nested query. This is the last type of query. We are coming to the set and nested queries. For example, as shown in these figures, this one is subquery to find the menu items that are priced above the average menu prices. So I hope this explanation gives a good idea of how the nested queries are work. They help us to identify the premium and pricing items, which is really useful for pricing and strategy and marketing. And past 3 queries also I explained well. Either this explanation give you the best explanation and example for you all, and it can understand by you. And thank you very much for watching me.
System helps the restaurant by storing all important information such as customers, order, menu, staff and branches in one place. Managers and staff can easily check sales, find data quickly and make better decisions. It also ensures that menu items, price and staff duties are consistent across all branches, which will improve customer satisfaction. However, the system has some drawbacks. All staff must have basic computer skills and wrong data entry affect reports. The system also depends on a stable internet and power connection. To improve the system, we can add automatic alert for the kitchen, online ordering for customers, and sale charts for managers. Using cloud storage or a mobile app will also make the system more reliable and easier to access.